Choosing the right wire doesn't have to be confusing. Today, let's break down the differences between silicone insulated wires, FEP Teflon wires, and PVC wires, and help you pick the best one for your project. First, silicone insulated wires. These are known for being extremely flexible, even in cold temperatures. They also have a high heat resistance, usually up to around 200 degrees Celsius, making them perfect for electronics, RC projects, 3D printers, and anything that needs flexible, durable wiring. Next, FEP Teflon wires. These are built for high performance. They handle even higher temperatures, up to around 200 degrees Celsius, and are resistant to chemicals, oils, and abrasion. They're great for aerospace, automotive, industrial equipment, and situations where reliability under extreme conditions matters. And then we have PVC wires. These are the most common and budget-friendly option. They offer good insulation, decent flexibility, and are ideal for everyday electronics, household wiring, appliances, and low to medium temperature environments.
So which one should you pick? If you need maximum flexibility, durability, and ease of handling, silicone is your best option. If your project demands top-tier performance, excellent chemical resistance, and the ability to withstand a very high temperature, go with FEP Teflon. And if you're on a budget or dealing with everyday electronics or general-purpose applications, PVC is the most practical and cost-efficient choice. Visit BNTECHGO for high-quality wires you can trust.